Text to column is one of the important features in Excel that help us to simplify some of the tasks. A good example of task is like this. I have the full name, that is the combination of the first name, of the middle name, and the last name. These are the things that makes the full name. But what if I just want to extract the first name to be on the column of the first name, the middle name to be on the same column, and the last name to be on the same column? So what we are going to do, we're just going to highlight the set of data that we have. And then after that, we just go to the data tab. After that, then we just go to the text column. So just click on the next. Then now this is the very important step. Of course, you have to understand what separates between the first name, middle name, and the last name. From the full name, of course, is the space that separates between the three items. So just click on the next. And then after that, this is also the very important step that you have to click on this one and then see where you want your data to be pasted. At this point of view, I want the first name to be pasted on the first name column. So just click on the first name there, then click on there and then click on finish. You will see that your data will be pasted as you wanted. So you can now delete this column if you don't want, but your data will still be there. Thank you so much. So this is how we can use an awesome tool in Excel called text to column.